Hey superstars, I'm Sue and welcome to my channel, Reviews with Sue. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting our channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sue and hope you're considering that subscribe button. So would you like to know what today's unboxing is all about? Well, I have some products to share with you from One Day Saving. And if you want to know what's inside these packages, then just keep on watching.
Doing reviews just like I do. Hanging out with your friend Sue. It's Sue.
And I'm back. I have some products to share with you from One Day Saving. They did reach out to me again and asked me if I'd like to collaborate with them by sharing a few more of the items that they sell on their website. And I said, absolutely, of course. If you've never heard of One Day Saving before, it is a place where you can do your one-stop shopping for all your crafting needs. They have diamond painting and cross-stitch, tools and accessories, and they're adding more and more items to their website each and every day. Because I am collaborating with them in this video, they did give me a discount code I could pass on to you all. It is SUE05 off, and that is going to give you 5% off your order. I'm going to leave all their information down below in the description box, just in case you want to check it out for yourself. And if I have any giveaways going on, I'm also going to link that down below. So the items that I picked out this time around was a craft that I used to do when I was much, much younger. And I'm going back to maybe 10 years old. Times have changed and the items that you use now are a little bit different than they were back when I was 10 years old, which were many, many, many moons ago, might I add. So let me go ahead and show you the items. I already tried out the items and I even recorded myself using the items on a flat screen, and I have a new overhead light. So after I'm done talking to you about the items that I have picked out here, then I'm going to switch it on over to the demo, and then hopefully you'll watch that demo. And please let me know how you think I did. And let me know how that overhead light is. It's brand new, and that was the first time I was using it. And I have to say, I thought it was pretty cool. So maybe I can do some more crafting things with that overhead light where you just see my little paws in action. So let me show you the items that I picked out. This is going to be the first item right here. This was $8.77. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this? Yes, it is a cat paw. It is. And there's a blue one and there's a pink one. But guess what color I picked out? Of course, if you know me already, you know I'm going to pick the pink one, right? So this is a little baby cat paw right there. You can see it has a little paws. This is an on and off switch. And right over here is where you're going to put in the USB. You're probably wondering, Sue, what are you showing me and what kind of craft are you going to do? Well, we're going to get to that. I'm just going to show you all the pieces first, and then you tell me if you can try to figure it out. So first of all, we have a USB charger right here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you are going to plug it in. And when I did the demo, this is exactly how I did it. I put the plug in here like this. And what I did is I used a portable charger. I love using this thing. It comes in so, so handy. So basically now we are going to hopefully have some power. Yep, see, we got some power there. And then it also came with this little baby spoon right here. So you can see it's just going to be like a little metal spoon. It has a little pink handle on it. It does have a little pouring spout right there on the end. And the way this works is you just take this and you set it right in there, and it cradles right in there. And it fits in there pretty good. It doesn't really go anywhere. So that was the first item. Again, it was $8.77. So let's see, what item should I show you next? Okay, this is probably going to totally give it away. But this is going to be the next item right here. Now, this is 200 pieces of sealing wax grain beads. $4.91. Do you have any clue what I'm going to be making? Well, if you do, put it down below in the comment section. So there's going to be 200 beads in here, and it's going to be wax pellets, basically. And what you use these for is going to be making wax seals. So if you did guess that, you're absolutely right. In fact, it's probably in the title of this video, so you already knew before you clicked on me. But these colors were so pretty. They have a huge array of different colors as well. But let me show it to you. And when I do the overhead, you're going to be able to see them a little bit better. But they're really pretty, and they're kind of almost like iridescent looking, like they each one has a little bit of a sparkle to it, I have to say. So it does have all those colors in there. And again, they had other palettes in there that had different colors that you could pick from. And then this is going to be our final item right here. And this one was $3.42. So I want to say all three of these items came out to maybe just over $16. So it really wasn't expensive. So here we go. Let me open this up because this is a cool one, it is. So let me show you. It is going to be our wax seal. It does have a wooden handle on it. And what's really nice is you can always take these off, and you can just buy replacements to put on here. So if you want to do different types of seals, you can definitely do that. They sell different kits and things too, but I kind of went on and I was kind of like picking things like individually, because this item right here is the one item I was searching for, and it didn't actually come in a kit. So this is the stamp I picked out. Can you see it? Can you see it? Well, can you see it? Superstars it is. I know I'm being so silly, but there it is right there. Isn't that cool? I love it. So I'm going to kind of just explain it really quick, but then again, right after this, we're going to click on over, and then you're going to actually see the demo of me actually putting all these items to action. So what you have here is going to be your warmer. You're going to take your little spoon right here. You're going to set it in here. You're going to take 3 to 4 beads. No, I take that back, because I did it with 3 beads the first time around that you're going to be seeing in the demo, and it wasn't enough. So the next time I did it in the demo, I actually used 4 beads. So I would highly recommend that you use 4 beads, maybe even 5 beads, my husband was telling me. But what's really nice too is you can pick an individual color to put in here, or if you want to mix your colors and create your own color, you could definitely do that. So you're going to take a few beads, you're going to set it inside your little tray here. You're going to wait for them to melt. I have to say, the first time I did it, I let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes, and I was kind of like stirring it with a little toothpick. And I think I might have like stopped a little too soon. I don't know if it was quite melted enough. So the second time I did it, I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And this doesn't get like super hot. I can still touch this, and it's not like scorching my fingers or anything. So it's probably going to be pretty safe around your kids if you wanted, your kids to be crafting there or anything. But, you always want to be with them if they're using anything that's like kind of plugged in and it gets a little bit warm. And then once it's all warmed up, you take the little spout here and you just pour it into the dish. Now, I had a hard time. It wasn't really pouring. And if you do any type of seals like this, can you add something to the wax that makes it a little bit more liquid where it would actually pour? Because it was kind of like on the thick side, I thought anyways. Maybe I just needed to leave it on there a little bit longer. So what I did is I just took a little plastic spoon and I kind of like just poured it out through that spoon, if that makes any sense. And then once I put it on the paper, you don't want to wait too long, because if you wait too long, it's going to harden, because it hardens really quick. Then you just take your stamp, like, your superstar stamp right there, and then you just push it on there. And you want to try to do it straight on in center. The first time I did it, I wasn't straight on in center, but the second time I got a little bit better, but then I had a little bit more wax too. So let me show you my creations before we get to the tutorial. So here it is right here. This was the first one I did. You can see this one only had 3 little pellets of wax in there, and I don't think it was quite enough, because you can see there. But again, this was the very first time that I did it. So I did it on camera with you guys, so you saw exactly what I was doing. So even though I made a boo-boo, my husband's like, "Are you really going to show that?" I said, "Yes, because I'm not perfect. I don't know what the heck I'm doing." So then the second time that I did it, where I left the wax on for about 10 minutes, and I used 4 pellets of the little wax beads. This is what I got the second time around. Isn't it pretty? And it actually has like a shimmer shine to it. And then you can see the star in the middle. Again, it's not perfect, because I'm not perfect. But what I'm thinking what I might do is maybe I will use 5 beads the next time that I do this, because I've only done it the 2 times so far. And then I just wanted to get this video out to you guys so you can see exactly where I'm at with this project. So that is everything that I got. I have the wax pellets here, $4.91. The stamp I got, it was individual, it was $3.42. And then the little warmer right here was $8.77. So if you want to start off with this craft, like I said, it's only around $16, so that's pretty good. Plus, you can use my discount code, SUE05 off will give you 5% off your order. Again, I'm going to leave all their information down below in the description box, just in case you want to check it out for yourself. I do want to thank One Day Saving for collaborating with me once again and letting me play with some more of your awesome items that you sell on your website. So now what we're going to do is we are going to jump on over to the tutorial, and then that's going to be the end of the video. You're not going to hear me talking. You're just going to hear some nice music. Hopefully it's some nice music. So thank you all so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe. A like on your way out would be great. And if you have an extra time, hop on over to Instagram. Follow me over there. It's Reviews with Sue, just like my channel name. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. So please be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.